Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee, and today we will be making pancakes. Well, I'll be teaching you how to make pancakes. So get your pancake mix, a bowl, a spoon, and spray butter. And I got regular butter. This pancake mix, all you gotta do is add water. You're gonna get any pancake mix. You're gonna pour the pancake mix into the bowl. So I got the pancake mix. And just add water. And then mix it. Not too much water. You want it a little thick. So if it be thick, your pancakes will be thick. If you put too much water in it, they'll be watery. They'll be real thin. We're going for the thick. So this is what it looks like. It's watery, so I'm going to add a little bit more pancake mix to make it a little thicker. I'll make sure this is getting hot. So this is on and it's getting hot. So you want that to be hot before you put your pancakes on it. So I added this a little bit more. We're going to set this up. See, now I got it a little thicker. It's thicker. Stir it up a little bit more. So I'm going to put some vegetable oil in my pancake mix. And this is going to help it for it not to stick. You don't need too much of it. And then we're just going to mix it. So mix it until the oil is mixed all the way in. And then I'm going to spray this with spray butter. I'm using spray butter. Roll these up. And then put spray all over here. Ooh. And I'm going to try to use these. I hope these don't burn up. But I think this is what it's for. I hope they don't. I don't know which way it goes, but I'm going to put them on this way. So we're going to do a duck. And we're going to do a butterfly. I'm going to put the spray that so it won't stick. The duck don't want to sit all the way down, so I don't think that's going to work. But I'm going to... Ooh, that's thick. That's real thick. Okay, so I'm going to slide the duck over. The duck not sitting all the way down, so I don't know if the duck is going to work. We can try it though. The duck might be a little messed up. I feel like I put too much pancake mix in the butterfly. So you see how it's bubbling up? This one overcooking. Just sit here and wait till it gets some more bubbles on there. Y'all see how it's bubbling? This one went over, so I don't know. Am I supposed to flip it and then see? I think I'm gonna flip it and then I'm gonna take the little thing off. So this one might be done on this side. This duck might be done. Woo. We're gonna flip it. Oh shoot. And then you have a duck. Oh, let me flip this one. And then ooh, hot. Hold on. Ouch. That thing hot. So what you want to do before I've been and burnt the pancake, always have you some butter. Go through like this, and you're gonna always put butter on the top. This really gonna make your pancake this taste really good. Really, really good. Get you a plate. And you have a duck and a butterfly. Then I'm just gonna put this to the side. And we're gonna make some more. This is a fish. So I'm gonna try to make a fish. Sorry guys, the camera went dead. But this is what it should look like. So you have the duck pancakes, over easy egg, 2 sausages, and potatoes with cheese. Then I'm gonna get some strawberries. You're gonna put some strawberries on top of your pancakes. Then you're gonna get some strawberry glaze. Oh, the battery went dead. And then you're gonna put that on top of the pancakes. Then you'll get you some syrup. And put the syrup on top of that. And that's what your food should look like. So if you would eat this, comment below and let me know. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.